Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool. Today I'm going to review for you The Good and the Beautifuls, the Human Body Part 1 Science Unit Study. Here is the Human Body Part 1 for grades K through 6 with extension for 7th and 8th graders. In this unit study, your child will be creating a science journal, a science wall like this one, lesson mini books, and experiments. In this unit study, your child will learn about their bodies, the skeletal system, muscular system, respiratory, circulatory, nervous, digestive, basically all the systems that we have in our bodies. This has supplies that you will need for each lesson. Optional read out loud stories for each unit. And then you have your vocabulary that you can put up on your science wall. With nice pictures on them as well. So in each lesson you have your objective, preparation, supplies needed, optional read out louds, what to read to the children, and then your activity. Which here the child's going to brainstorm a list of all the different parts of the body they can think of and have them work together to create one list. Then they have an activity. And then what to put on the science wall. And into their science journal. And I'm just going to flip through this a little bit so you can see a little bit of what this looks like. All of the Good and the Beautiful is Christian based. These lessons take about an hour or so to complete, maybe a little less. But you definitely want to have time to go through any of the Good and the Beautiful science lessons, because it has a lot of information, so the child's not lacking in anything. They can have a great understanding of whatever topic they're studying by the end of each unit study. Looks like they'll be creating some sort of notebook here. Little booklets, you cut them and then you assemble them together. Here's a game. There's all the game pieces. Okay, so there you have it, The Good and the Beautiful Human Body Part 1. I hope you guys enjoyed that review. I have tons of curriculum reviews in my curriculum reviews playlist. Make sure you subscribe for more if you like videos like these, curriculum reviews, homeschooling day in the lives, and I also have a playlist dedicated to teaching preschoolers. Thank you guys so much for watching.